At Knowledgeum Academy, we believe that true learning doesn't just happen within the walls of a classroom. It's about pushing boundaries, thinking beyond the ordinary, and exploring the endless possibilities that await us. This year, we took that belief to the next level with Odyssey, our flagship fest, centered around the theme of Catalyst.
And the environment that Odyssey has created for people who have participated was simply amazing.
Catalyst, a powerful word. It represents the spark that ignites change, the force that propels us forward. At Odyssey 2024, our mission was clear. Empower our Knowledgeum mites in participating schools to challenge the status quo, explore new ideas, and develop leadership skills to shape tomorrow's world. Interactive installations. Then there were the sustainable science projects. Learners weren't just learning about sustainability, they were living it. With projects to solve real-world challenges, our future leaders took matters into their own hands, exploring ways to create a greener, more sustainable world. Digital graffiti. Art too took on a new form at Odyssey. Digital graffiti, a fusion of creativity and technology. Here, students didn't just paint, they innovated. With every brushstroke, they expressed their ideas, turning pixels into a canvas for change. Urban Vision 2050. Imagine this, students stepping into the world of innovation, creating 3D models that push the limits of design and technology. A dynamic 3D representation of the city, built by students for the future. The model wasn't just about showing what the city looks like now, but imagining what it could become. From imagining sustainable cities to developing cutting-edge solutions, the possibilities were endless. And of course, no fest is complete without the energy and excitement of live performances. From drama to music to dance, students showcased their grit, improvisation skills, and hours of practice. Each performance was a testament to the dedication and passion they brought to their craft. Future Tech Workshop with Gen X Space and Design Thinking. An intriguing session led by ISRO collaborators Gen X Space peeked into the future of technology, science, and innovation, giving participants an insight into the future of work in space tech. The Design Thinking Workshop, on the other hand, deconstructed complex processes to craft unique solutions to modern challenges and prompting learners to become changemakers in STEM fields. Sustainable farming practices. Learners and the audience explored hands-on applications of sustainable farming practices, gaining insights into eco-friendly techniques and environmental conservation at the Bengaluru Farms experience. It emphasized actionable steps to build an environmentally conscious society and underscored the importance of sustainable choices. Battle of the Bands, a celebration of diverse sounds. The Battle of the Bands brought electrifying energy to the fest. Talented school and college bands performed captivating songs. This inclusive segment bridged different genres of music and spoken poetry, creating a platform for creativity and collaboration. Runway Revolution, sustainable fashion on display. The Runway Revolution fashion show was more than a showcase of style. It was a movement, highlighting sustainable and resourceful fashion, presenting innovative designs that acted as agents for change. The event shared a message of conscious consumption, proving that fashion can be a powerful tool for sustainability and self-expression. Sonic Shift's instrumental showcase. Each individual brought their artistry to life through their chosen instrument, captivating the audience with performances that ranged from classical melodies to modern interpretations celebrating diversity in musical expression. Every moment at Odyssey was about discovery, about learning, growing, and evolving. It was a celebration of creativity, learning, and leadership. The echoes of cheerful, enthusiastic participants from across various schools and colleges of Bengaluru filled the venue with positivity and anticipation. Here's a glimpse of them sharing their perspectives on their Odyssey experience.
And I had participated in the digital graffiti competition, so it was a totally worthwhile experience, I would say, because for the first time I got to perform digital art.
ನಾನು ಸೋಲೋ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರೂಮೆಂಟನ್ನು ಪ್ಲೇ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ನಾನು ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ ಅಂದರೆ 2.5 years ಆಯಿತು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಇದು ನನ್ನ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬರ್ತಿರೋದು.
Today we're doing a fashion show on sustainability and fashion combined. My outfit here is based on paper cup.
If we recycle paper, it decreases the amount of trees that we use, overall saving the planet, because trees are important for the planet.
I was in the city building event and I got to exchange how I thought of Bangalore from 25 years from now, and I got feedback on how I thought about it, and the environment that Odyssey has created for people who have participated was simply amazing.
Attended the futuristic technology workshop. It went well. She went in depth of all the topics she was covering, and we got a good view on how technology plays a good role in our future and how we can colonize space.
We also made soil balls which have seeds inside. We rolled them up and we've kept it there. And it is new and it is something that I was very interested in learning.
ವರ್ಕ್ಶಾಪ್ ಕಂಡಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, ತುಂಬ ಖುಷಿ ಆಯಿತು. ತುಂಬ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಂಜಾಯ್ ಮಾಡಿದರು ವಿಜುವಲ್ ವರ್ಕ್ಶಾಪ್ನ. ಹಾಗೆ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಾಲೇಷನ್ ಮತ್ತು ಡಿಸೈನ್ ಥಿಂಕಿಂಗ್ದು ವರ್ಕ್ಶಾಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಾಲೇಷನ್ ಜಡ್ಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಜೂರಿಯಾಗಿ ನಮಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದರು. ನಾನು ಮತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ ಕೊಲೀಗ್ ಸೂರಜ್ ಮತ್ತು ಧನಂಜಯ್ ಸರ್ ಅವರು ಕೂಡಿ ನಾವು ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ.
And we had a lovely interaction with everyone. And then in the beginning there was amazing performance, like the dance and the solo performance and everything. So, and after that we went to the Knowledgeum Academy, where we have many scenarios and competitions to take over, and it was amazing actually.
And I would like to end by thanking Knowledgeum for giving me this experience. Thank you.
Thanks to Knowledgeum Academy for conducting this very awesome show. We had truly so much fun in it, and I'm forever grateful for them for giving us this opportunity.
At Knowledgeum, we believe success is more than just a destination. It's about making learning visible. It's about seeing the transformation, one idea, one project, one performance at a time. Success is learning made visible when learners push their creative limits, challenge the status quo, and hone their leadership skills.